Hey everybody, Chris Gaffney back again for another tech tip for KRS IT. This week we're going to talk about an uncomfortable phone call I did have with an owner of a business, and it's all about credit cards. Do you accept them? What are you actually responsible for? What do you have to know about them? So we'll briefly go over that. Stay tuned. So if you're a business owner and you have employees that deal with credit cards, what are you legally responsible for? So there is something called PCI DSS, and that's Payment Card Industry Data Security Standard. That's something that all companies have to abide by. All right, so again, if you have employees that take people's credit cards, you're gonna be held to the same standard as a big company that does it. It doesn't matter what you think. All companies that deal with credit cards are held to the same liability. So that was something that came up a lot in conversations. Wasn't our client, thankfully, but the person that did contact us about it that had a breach, they're quite upset because now they have to call all their clients and let them know they had a breach. That's one of the worst parts about being hacked, is reputational damage. So again, if this is something you follow, this probably wouldn't have happened, but a lot of people might make the mistake of thinking, well, we don't take that many credit cards, or we're not that big, we don't deal in it that much, so it probably wouldn't happen to us. That's the wrong way to think, and that's when it absolutely probably will happen to you. So a lot of people then would ask, well, are we compliant? This is how we do it. And again, every business is different how they operate. So there is a way to find out if you are compliant. It's basically a checklist. There is a good resource that we'll put down below in the video that you can click on that, and you can then go ahead and tell them how you deal with your credit cards, and they can go ahead and tell you what you need to implement, or if you are already compliant. It's a great resource. We suggest you guys use it. Okay, so that resource is PCI Security Standard Council, and we will again link it in the video below. So check it out and make sure that you guys are doing the right thing. You don't want that to come back on you. You don't want to have to deal with legal issues or reputational damage. Don't want to see that happen to anybody. All right, hope everyone has a good week, and I will see you guys next week. Take care.